G'day, I'm Kevin Newton for Australian Survival Instructors. Some guys have asked me for a better explanation of the European stone crush bird trap. But first off, in the walk-in I saw some stuff that I want to show you. So we'll go grab some and we'll have a look. This is what I'm looking for. This is Gymnostachys, also known as settler's flax. This is an absolutely fantastic plant for making cordage and rope. It is super strong. Highly recommended. The Aborigines used to use this for their fishing nets actually. This is an absolutely awesome plant. Here's that Gymnostachys that we just got. It is fresh, so it's starting to fray a little bit, which it will do. That's why I like to wait 2 or 3 days when making cordage. It dries out and just works a little bit better. Before we go over and explain the European stone crush bird trap a little bit more in depth, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all the guys that have subscribed to our ASI YouTube channel. Thanks for your support, and also the TSGOA forum, the WA crew and the New South Wales crew. Thanks guys, we really appreciate your support. What you want to get for the piece that comes down on the prey is something that's obviously flat and reasonably square. This will do for the moment. Could be a little bit bigger, but it's okay. These are the sticks that you need. 4 in total. That's the back piece, that just stays vertical. You've got the top shorter piece and then the 2 V's at the bottom. So what we actually start with is one piece that goes at the back of the furthest rock, like that, and that just stays upright. And then we've got 2 longer pieces which splay out in a V, and then we've got the short piece at the top where the rock's leaning at an angle against the main piece. So the way I start is I just put the upright here, down like that. It's a little bit tricky. Hold the short one in my mouth and put them as a V, put them as a V, and start leaning the rock slowly over until it takes the strain. A little bit more. It's a little bit tricky. Here we go. We're probably going to get tension now. I just have to lower the rock slightly. There we go. We've just got tension, starting to move. A little bit tricky. And we've just got to balance the pressure on each stick so that it's all pretty even. Otherwise, if you get one taking the strain, the prey might not trip that. There we go. That's really nice and even. Let's just set this off now and we'll see what happens. So the bird flies in, as you saw on the previous video, and triggers one of these lower pieces when it's attracted to the bait inside. Really simple. I'm Kevin Newton for Australian Survival Instructors.